Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix VC++ packages error in a WAMP server 3.3.2 in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. Here is our error and we are going to solve this error. This is our all packages error and we are going to solve this error. Plus, OK, click on the OK on this error and scroll down. Here we find WAMP server setup. Here scroll down. At the bottom we find one link. This is the link. Click on this link and this link redirect you to the another page, and this is the WAMP server link. Scroll down and here we find at the last all VC redistributable packages 86 x64, and here we find 32-bit and 64-bit. Click on this link, all VC redistributable packages. Click at here and one file is downloading out your PC. It's take 1 or 2 minutes. So wait for 2 or 3 minutes and that we are going to the next step. Our file is now download. Go to the downloads. Here we find show in a folder. Click on show in a folder, minimize it and drag this zip file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our zip file. We are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it and click on extract here. Click on OK. It's extract our files. Double click on it and here is the our all drivers, and we are not need this all drivers. We need drivers that are missing on our PC. So go to the our setup file. Here we find our setup file. Click on this next button once again and here we find error. Here is the our first error. Check your first error, second error, third error. Our first error is VC 2012 at 86 x 86. Then find 2012 from here and 86. Here we find 2012 and x86. Double click on it. Double click on it. Agree the terms and condition. Click on install. Click on yes. And it's install your packages. Close it. Next error is VC 2013 x86. Find 2030 x86. Here we find these packages. Double click on it. Agree. Install it. Click on yes. Wait for a few seconds. Close. Successfully set up. Next is third number VC 2022. Find VC 2022 86. So find it. Double click on it. Agree. Install it. Yes. Close it. Third number. Fourth number is 2012. This time 64. Here we find x64. Then go to here and find 2012 64. Here we find 2012 64. Double click on it. Agree. Install it. Click on the yes. It's take few seconds. Close it. Next is VC 2013 64. 2013 64. Double click on it. Agree the terms and condition. Click on the install. Click on the yes. It's take few seconds. Close it. And last is the VC 2022 64. Then 2022 64 x64. Double click on it. Agree. Install it. Click on the yes. Close it. Basically, find the your error, package error. Example as 2012. Then find the bit and find this from this list. Install that and after that click on OK. Go to the next this time, and if you and I find my all errors are gone. Next and install your WAMP server. There is no error on your WAMP server now. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix VC++ packages error in a WAMP server 3.3.2 or higher in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.